Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunities from 4 companies, work location Hyderabad, and 2 companies are conducting walk-in interview. So let's get started. Before going into a main content viewers, a small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for the first time. Viewers, this channel provide all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe our channel. Viewers, first GVK Bio, they are hiring BSc Chemistry freshers for production apprenticeship, work location Hyderabad Nacharam. Selected candidates, they are going to pay 1,25,000 per annum viewers. So minimum of apprenticeship duration is 1 year. Qualification BSc Chemistry, Diploma Chemical Engineering. 2018, 19, 20 passed outs can apply for this position viewers. So those who are interested can apply. Viewers, next, InnoMinds is hiring for trained freshers, work location Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. 0 to 1 year experiences needed. Eligibility criteria 70% and above in all academics. Year of passing 2018, 90, 20 passed outs can apply for this position. Education qualification BTech, BE, ECE, CSE, IT, MCA, MTech candidates can apply viewers. Freshers and experienced both are eligible. Requirement automation testing, we had 20 positions. Primary skills automation testing with Python and Java. Java 15 position. Java JE 2 EE knowledge is compulsory. Python 15 positions. Python knowledge. UI React JS 10 positions. Interview rounds, we had aptitude, communication and technical for 2 hours duration. 60% score to qualify the interview. Online test will be conducted. Work location as we discussed Vizag and Hyderabad. Those who are interested can apply for this position, mainly eligible. And viewers, next IFFL Gold Loan Hyderabad conducting walk-in drive viewers 30 January from 9:30 am to 5:30 pm. In the following address in their office viewers. 0 to 5 years experience candidates can apply for this position, both freshers and experience. If we see work location, we had Hyderabad, Saket, Yapral, Medchal, Kushaiguda, Kompalli, Miapur, Nizampet, Kukatpalli, Mallapur, Bapuji Nagar, Suchitra. Only experienced profile from financial companies will be accepted. So those who have experience in the financial company, they are eligible for this position viewers. Graduates, postgraduates can apply for this position with minimum 3 years experience. Basic knowledge about the computer is must. Should be ready to travel. Should expose excellent networking skills and communication skills. Retired senior bankers from PSU banks can also apply. So retired people can also apply for this position viewers. Experience of handling customers and large amount cash. Job title is customer care executive. Should able to handle walk-ins of customers. Should be able to acquire new customers through referring, keeping the existing customers updated with existing account details. This is a very important point. So we need to retain current customers and acquire new customers to the company. So those who are interested can attend walk-in interview on 30 Jan. Viewers, next, People's Tech Enterprises Private Limited hiring MBA freshers, project coordinators. Even they are conducting walk-in interview 30 January from 9:30 am to 4 pm. In the following address viewers. Selected candidate, they are going to pay 3 lakhs per annum. Freshers and experience both can apply. Must be MBA graduate. Pursuing candidates are not allowed. Mask is mandatory. And skills required is domain knowledge, MS Office knowledge, knowledge of data maintenance, report making, strong leadership ability and interpersonal skills, analytical and critical thinking, excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English, multitasking skills. Check functionality of end product, stimulate test suggestions made for performance, write user manuals and prepare easy to understand documentation. So Basically, candidate need to have documentation skills, perform gap analysis and suggest solution, create plans for change based on analyzed requirements, analyze and evaluate existing systems for performance. So those who are interested can apply for this position, can attend walk-in interview. Hope this video is useful for you viewers. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job. And thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. And subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job updates from time to time. Thank you very much.